This store has so many boxes that it feels like a library for feet.
I like that comparison. Every pair of shoes has a story to tell.
I am Emma. I am looking for something sturdy for a school trip.
I am Tom, and I can help you find the perfect partner for your feet.
Most of my current shoes are better for sitting in a classroom.
A trip with students usually involves a lot of walking and running.
We are visiting the old castle and the botanical gardens tomorrow.
Those cobblestone paths can be very cruel to high heels.
I learned that the hard way during our last visit to the museum.
You need something with a thick sole and a soft cushion inside.
Those brown boots on the top shelf look very reliable.
Let me get the ladder so I can bring them down for you.
It is amazing how you remember where every single pair is hidden.
I spend my days organizing these boxes by size and color.
It is a lot like my bookshelf at home, just with more leather.
Here they are, the Adventure Series model.
The leather feels very soft, but the bottom looks very tough.
They're designed for people who spend all day on their feet.
That describes my life as a teacher perfectly, Tom.
I will find your size in the back room in just a moment.
I think I am a size 7, but it varies between brands.
It's always better to measure properly before we start.
I haven't used one of those metal measuring tools in years.
They are still the most accurate way to find the truth.
I am ready to face the truth about my feet today.
Please take a seat on this comfortable velvet bench.
The store is so quiet today. It is very relaxing.
Most people are still at work or at school right now.
I am lucky to have a free afternoon before the big trip.
Let's see what the scale says about your size.
Write one English sentence and the comments. The 3 most interesting comments will get free English lessons.
Keep your foot flat on the cold metal surface, please.
It feels a bit like stepping on a very strange typewriter.
Your foot is exactly a size 7, just as you guessed.
My intuition is usually right when it comes to numbers.
But look here, your left foot is slightly wider than the right.
Is that a common thing, or am I just unique?
Almost everyone has one foot that is a little bit bigger.
I wonder if that affects the way I walk through the halls.
It means we should always fit the shoe to the larger foot.
That makes a lot of sense. Comfort should come first.
A tight shoe can ruin even the most beautiful day.
I once wore tight shoes to a wedding and regretted it for a week.
I will bring a size 7 and a 7.5 to be sure.
You are very thorough with your customer service, Tom.
I want you to enjoy your walk in the castle, not think about pain.
My students will be moving very fast, so I need to keep up.
These boots have extra support around the ankle area.
That will prevent me from tripping on the uneven grass. Do they come in any other colors besides this dark brown?
We have them in forest green and a classic midnight black.
The forest green sounds very appropriate for a botanical garden.
I will bring the green ones for you to try on first.
I'm excited to see how they look with my denim jacket.
Green and blue are a very natural and pleasant combination.
I hope they don't look too bulky with my floral dress.
They have a slim design that works well with skirts too.
You really know how to market your products well.
I just want people to feel good in what they wear.
That is a very kind and honest goal for a salesman.
I will be back with the boxes in less than a minute.
While you were away, I saw these elegant leather loafers.
Those are hand-stitched and very popular for office wear.
They look much more professional for a parent-teacher meeting.
They have a very flexible sole that bends with your foot.
Look at the detail on the heel. It looks like a small braid.
That is a signature style of this specific Italian brand.
I am tempted to buy 2 pairs today, one for work and one for trips.
It is always good to have a backup pair in your closet.
My closet is already full of books, but I can find a corner.
Shoes are just books for the road, in my opinion.
You have a very creative way with words, Tom.
I think I spent too much time reading descriptions and catalogs.
It paid off because you are a very convincing speaker.
Let's try the green boots first, and then the loafers.
I will use this long metal shoehorn to help me.
It makes the heels slide in without crushing the leather.
The leather smells so fresh and clean inside this box.
That is the smell of high-quality materials in craftsmanship.
It fits like a glove. There's plenty of room for my toes.
Try to wiggle them to make sure they aren't pinched.
They are perfectly free, and the arch support feels great.
That is the most important part for long-distance walking.
I feel like I could walk across the entire city in these.
We should still test them on the carpeted floor.
I will take a few steps toward the mirror over there.
Pay attention to whether your heel slides up and down.
It stays perfectly in place, which is a very good sign.
The green color is even better in the natural light.
It matches my favorite scarf almost perfectly.
It was definitely a lucky find on the top shelf today.
I am walking a bit faster to see how the boots respond.
Your stride looks very natural and confident, Emma.
There is no squeaking on the floor, which I appreciate.
Squeaky shoes are a nightmare in a quiet library or school.
My students always know I'm coming if my shoes make noise.
These have rubber soles that are designed to be silent.
I can be a secret investigator in my own classroom.
You can catch all the students who are passing notes.
That would be a very funny use for new boots.
How does the weight feel on your ankles?
They're surprisingly light for such a sturdy design.
We used a new synthetic material inside to reduce the weight.
It feels like I'm wearing sneakers instead of heavy boots.
That is the magic of modern footwear engineering.
I am standing on my tiptoes to check the flexibility.
The leather is creasing in the right place above the toes.
It doesn't dig into my skin at all, which is perfect.
You have found a winner on the very first try.
Now I'm curious about the loafers for my meetings.
Let me swap the boxes so you can try the loafers.
These are much thinner and feel more like slippers.
They're made for indoor comfort and looking sharp.
I think I look much more like an adult in these shoes.
You look like a very sophisticated English teacher, Emma.
I will wear these when I have to give my big speech.
Every speaker needs a solid foundation to stand on.
My foundation today is made of very fine Italian leather.
I will put the boots back in the box while you decide.
I think I will take both pairs. They are too good to leave.
That is a very wise decision for your wardrobe.
The boots come with plain brown laces, right?
Yes, but we have a whole wall of custom laces over there.
I see some bright red ones that would look very fun.
Red laces on green boots would be a very bold choice.
I want my students to see that their teacher has a personality.
It certainly adds a bit of a creative spark to the outfit.
Or maybe these deep purple ones would be more subtle.
Purple and green are very royal and classic colors.
I will take the red ones, just for the school trip tomorrow.
I can swap them for you right here at the counter.
You are being so helpful. I really appreciate the extra effort.
It is part of the job to make sure everything is perfect.
Do you think I need any waterproof spray for the leather?
It is a good idea if you expect rain in the gardens.
The weather forecast said there might be a light shower.
This spray creates an invisible shield against the water.
I don't want my new green boots to get ruined by mud.
Just spray them tonight and let them dry by the morning.
I will add a bottle of that spray to my purchase.
I will put it in the bag with the extra laces.
I feel like I am fully prepared for any weather now.
You are ready for the castle, the garden, and the classroom.
My feet are going to be the happiest part of my body.
I'm glad I could help you find what you needed.
It is much better than shopping online where you can't feel the fit.
Online stores can't tell you if one foot is wider than the other.
And they certainly don't have such friendly staff.
Thank you, Emma. That means a lot to me.
I am ready to head to the register and finish this.
Follow me. I will prepare the final bill for you.
I am looking forward to seeing the castle in my new boots.
I hope you take some great photos of the school trip.
I will show them to you next time I need new shoes.
I would love to see where these boots eventually travel.
They will probably see many playgrounds and museum floors.
I am wrapping the loafers in some white tissue paper.
It keeps the leather from getting scratched in the box.
Exactly. We want them to stay perfect for your meetings.
I am placing the red laces in my small purse for now.
I can put them in the box so you don't lose them.
Good idea. I tend to lose small things in my big bag.
Here is your receipt and our store's business card.
If my colleagues ask about my boots, I will send them here.
Tell them to ask for Tom. I will take care of them.
I will definitely do that. You have been wonderful.
The total comes to 80 pounds for everything today.
That is a very fair price for 2 pairs of high-quality shoes.
The transaction is complete and successful.
I am holding the shopping bag. It is quite heavy.
Do you need any help carrying it to your car?
No, I am wearing my new boots, so I feel very strong.
That is the spirit of a true explorer, Emma.
I will walk home and start the waterproofing process.
Have a fantastic trip with your students tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Tom, and have a great afternoon in the shop.